There's nothing worse than vision all day long. Vision's easy. Execution is hard.
Let's go back there on that side.
Hi, my name is John Scrofano. I'm the CEO of Garmentory. We're a startup in Seattle. We're the Etsy for young luxury. So we're a marketplace for young luxury, contemporary fashion, $100 to $600 items. Our business is growing really well. When we talk to venture capitalists, and I talk to a lot of venture capitalists, my question specifically for you is how do excellent entrepreneurs break preconceived notions that you have and then give you what they think is actually the reality?